Hey guys, today let's do something different, a quick tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to connect two Bluetooth speakers to a single device, such as a phone or tablet. This is a very easy procedure, so let's start. First of all, there are several methods of doing this. Some devices even support connecting to two Bluetooth speakers at once. Most don't, however. And then there are certain speakers that can be combined with the TWS feature. However, with the following method, you can use any Bluetooth speakers you want. They don't have to be identical whatsoever. What you will need for this to work are the following things. Two Bluetooth speakers with 3.5mm audio inputs. Most come with such, don't worry. Then you'll need a Bluetooth receiver, two 3.5mm audio cables with a male connector on each end. Usually such a cable comes with your Bluetooth speaker. And last but not least, you need a 3.5mm splitter. Don't worry, it can be an adapter such as this one or a splitter cable as well. Both work. The Amazon links to all those things you need are in the video description. Step 1. Plug in the two 3.5mm audio cables to the 3.5mm splitter. Step 2. Plug in the splitter to the 3.5mm audio output of your Bluetooth receiver. Step 3. Power on both Bluetooth speakers. Step 4. Now plug in the other end of the 3.5mm cable, which is connected to the splitter, to the 3.5mm audio inputs of the two Bluetooth speakers. The speaker should then switch to aux-in mode. Sometimes you need to switch modes manually, depending on the speakers you have. Step 5. Power on the Bluetooth receiver. Step 6. Now enable Bluetooth on your phone or other device and pair your device with the Bluetooth receiver. And that's it, you now have full control over both speakers. Make sure you set the volume on both to the max for the best results. Hopefully you found this quick tutorial helpful. And as always, thanks for watching.